iQOO Z65G. Product information. Snapdragon 695 5G mobile platform allows you to level up your performance with efficient 6nm process with an Antutu score of 410563. Also, we get a 15% improved CPU performance and improved 30% GPU performance as compared to Snapdragon 690G. iQOO Z65G comes with a large 5000 mAh battery, keeps going longer for a more enjoyable gaming and video experience. It also comes 18W fast charging technology that juices up the battery quickly. 5-layered liquid cooling system can accurately sense the heat source and intelligently adapt the optimal cooling solution, which can effectively cool down the phone when it is under high load and reduce the core temperature by 10 degrees star. Let go of any heating issues in prolonged gaming or movie sessions. Equipped with 50MP autofocus main camera, it is designed to tackle the out-of-focus problem. The feature performs fast eye autofocus at a high refresh rate, allowing the camera to maintain stable and clear focus on the subjects in movement. Headphones jack, 3.5mm, form factor, bar, operating system, FunTouch OS 12 based on Android 12, display type, LCD. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.